How to detach and install Alpha Mi USV quickly detachable thrusters. 1. Use a wrench to rotate counterclockwise and unscrew the rear cover. 2. Use tongs to remove the internal guide impeller. 3. Clean up external debris. 4. Use a screwdriver to lock the propeller to prevent the blades from following the rotation. And use a 14mm socket to unscrew the screw cap of the propeller counterclockwise. Five. Clean the debris on the rotation shaft of electric motor. 6. Install the propeller. Pay attention to aligning the propeller slot with the shaft limit. And lock the nut clockwise. 7. Install the guide impeller, but don't completely insert it. Keep the outer edge of the impeller flush with the outer edge of the propeller. 8. Align the rear cover with limit of the guide impeller to prevent the rear cover threads from being misaligned. Press in and then tighten clockwise. Detaching and installation thrusters completed.